AAVE has been running up over the last sort of few weeks or so, looking really, really bullish on this asset. We're going to be going into a price prediction at the end of the video to see how high this asset could be going over the next sort of year or so if you're going to be holding it from this point. But to start off the video, guys, we're going to be going into the current market structure, what we're currently looking at around $100 in terms of the price, and sort of buying areas that we could be looking out for here over the next sort of weeks or months or so before this rally starts to absolutely explode the crypto space. Okay, my name is Cryptochester and I'm here to give you this amazing update. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Starting off with market structure here, guys, you can see we've got this very, very clean bullish market structure, continuously breaking highs for this asset. The most recent high that we did just break was currently up around $119. Again, priced at $100, so we have seen around a 20% reduction for this asset, 21% in terms of this most recent low. And in terms of market structure, guys, in terms of staying in this bullish momentum, I want to see us hold this higher low. We need to hold this higher low as a level of support, and that is currently sat around 82.55. So if we dump down to this area, we're still bullish. If we lose this area, guys, we're sort of flipping a bit more bearish, okay? So the point that we need to be holding for support and having a lovely bounce point, if we don't bounce here, guys, it is going to be 82.55, okay? So keep a note of that. In terms of buying areas, guys, I would be looking to buy up this asset at every single higher low continuously, DCAing the whole way down if we do start to dump there, because we know this is going to absolutely explode, and we will look at a price prediction very, very, very shortly, okay? Now, guys, before we carry on, before we look at a potential areas to be looking out for there in terms of support and resistance, I am going to be doing a trading challenge over the next year or so, guys. Fair desk, you can see it up in there, up in the middle of the screen there. It's a trading challenge. I'm going to be doing copy trading. I have put $5,000 into an account. I'm going to be trading that up over the next 6 months to a year or so to $100,000 with you guys, live on YouTube, live on Instagram, all my socials, and we're going to be doing this together as a community, okay? So if you do want to follow my trades, make sure you go to the link in the description, sign up to the exchange, deposit however much you want, and just press copy Cryptochester on the copy trading section, and essentially I will be trading, and if I make money, you make money. And obviously, it's my job to make money trading. So it's a win-win situation, okay? So yeah, if you want to get involved with that, make sure you go to the link in the description and sign up to Fair Desk, okay? Back on to AAVE, and let's go into a potential bounce points to be looking out for there from a volume-weighted ATR band standpoint, okay? So we've got the volume-weighted ATR band on the green, so the bullish bounce point at around $80 there. So it's definitely a point to be looking out for there, especially if it comes up to this higher low structure, okay? Very, very, very bullish on this asset. Market structure looks really, really good. Let's bring in some MAs and let's see if we've got any obvious MAs to be looking out for there. I mean, what do you know here on the daily, guys? You can see this green one coming up here. This is acting as a level of support, and that is the 55 EMA, guys, the exponential moving average. Very, very, very strong support from this bad boy. So the more this comes up, the more chance that we're going to bounce. If we lose it, it's absolutely fine, guys. It's not a problem. We can be just waiting for another new entry point to be taken advantage of, okay? In terms of trading this right now, I'm not really going to go into too much detail on the daily here for this, guys, because I do want to get to a price prediction here, but we do have a symmetrical triangle chart pattern, guys. Symmetrical triangle chart patterns, they tend to usually break to the downside if we don't hold this support, so there is going to be a little short position to the most recent higher low if we lose this level of support, but I don't really think that we're going to be doing that unless crypto pulls back massively, okay? So the new highs that I want to be breaking here, in terms of market structure, I want to be setting here is going to be, well, it's going to be this point, guys, because you can see we've come down, we've set this pullback, and we have broke this high, okay? So this is technically a higher low structure that we can be plotting in now. So let's do that together, and that's going to be a point to be looking out for there for a bounce, okay? So this area is looking very, very, very strong for a lovely level of support here for this market structure to continue, okay? So let's move on to a price prediction for AAVE, and let's see how high and how much money we could be making over the next sort of 6 months to a year or so. Just essentially smart hodling this asset, okay? So if you were to buy, say, $10,000 worth of this asset right now, let's look and see at the all-time high what it previously was here, and see how much money you can make just by holding this over the next 2 years or so, because we're going into a bull market, guys. So these assets are all just going to run up again, okay? It's coming into crazy alt season. I mean, you can see how quickly it ran up last time. So I really wouldn't recommend missing this next run. There's so much money to be made, okay? It's going to be absolutely crazy. And if you're watching this video now, you're already insanely early to the run, okay? So the all-time high for AAVE was $593. As you can see, we're currently priced at around $100, guys. So it's looking looking around a 6x to where we currently are priced from. So let's get a lovely, lovely price range drawn in for that. And let's see the percentage there. It probably should be around 600% there to the upside there. What was it? 593, did we say? Short-term memory loss. Here we go. Yeah, 593, yes, 593 all the way up. It's going to be worth around a 5x, guys, to where the current price currently is. So that's 5 times your investment. You put in $10,000, you're going to come out with $50,000. I mean, that's basically a year's salary for some people, right? So, yeah, it's a pretty strong investment, right? Very, very good stuff indeed. But that's not all, guys. That's not the price prediction. That is just how high the all-time high was from previous bull runs, okay? Usually, mostly, in every bull run, what do? We break the previous all-time high. By how much is going to be the question, guys. Last year, this was one of the leading assets in the top 20 cryptocurrencies. So I do think AAVE is probably going to be, I think it was top 20. It was top 20 or top 40. But I do think AAVE is going to be seeing new heights here. And we're probably going to be looking at around $800 a coin, okay? So you're talking around a 7x from your investment. So very, 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 very lucrative. Very profitable, guys. So definitely something I wouldn't overlook here. Yeah, very, very, very strong. Market structure is looking good. In terms of buy points to be looking out for there, guys, it's probably going to be around 85 and 82. And again, if we do start losing these high lows in terms of market structure, they're just DCA points, guys. Okay, dollar cost average. You're just buying up every single low that gets put in, because we know if you're going to be holding this over the next sort of 2 years or so, because we know this asset's going to be going up. You're just going to be making more money every time you're buying this at a low point. You're just going to be in the negatives for a little bit longer, which is absolutely fine, because you're going to be making so much money in the next few years or so. But yeah, that's going to be my price prediction and my little breakdown of the TA for AAVE there, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And again, if you want to jump in with the copy trading and you copy all my positions over the next year or so, make sure you go to Fairdesk, guys. Link is in the description. Sign up, just press copy, and you're going to be making money if I'm making money, right? And it's my job to make money with trading, so it's a win-win for everyone again. But yeah, so that's going to be it from me. That's going to be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next altcoin video. Peace out, and goodbye from me, cryptochesterg.